Greetings, high vibrations. It is LaLa, and it is time to rise up. If you've been feeling tired, bloated, or just stuck, I've got a secret weapon that's been transforming lives, including mine, for years. It is juicing. Yep, simple, fresh juices packed with nutrients can help your body detox, energize, and give you that glow up from the inside out. And trust me, this isn't a fad, it is a lifestyle upgrade. Stick around to the end because I am sharing my all time energy boosting juicing recipe, and you don't want to miss it. So, what makes juicing so powerful? It's all about flooding your body with easily absorbed nutrients. You're separating the liquid from the fiber, which means your body can absorb all of those vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in just minutes. Imagine giving yourself a spa day, or yourself, a spa day. That's what juicing does. It's not just about feeling good for a day. Juicing kickstarts a process of detoxification, helping your liver and kidneys flush out toxins while giving your digestive system a much needed break. That means clear skin, better digestion, and more energy to tackle your day. Let's talk about glow up goals. High vibrations. When you juice on a regular, you are feeding your hair and body with everything they need to thrive. Vitamins like A and C from carrots and oranges help boost collagen production, hydrates your cells, reduces inflammation, and gives you a clean energy boost that coffee, it just does not match. Say adios, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye to energy crashes. Even help with stubborn weight loss. It is your ultimate reset button. Now, let's bust some myths. A lot of people think juicing is just drinking sugar water, but that is only true if you overload on fruits. The key is balance. Pair your sweet fruits like apples or pineapples with nutrient packed veggies like spinach, kale, or celery. And here's another misconception: juicing will leave you hungry. That is not true. When you are consuming nutrient dense juices, your body feels nourished and cravings just naturally decrease. This isn't about starving your body, it's about feeding it what it truly needs. Let's get into detox mode. Your body is naturally designed to detox, but when you're overloading it with processed foods and toxins, your system gets sluggish. It slows down. Juicing supports your organs, especially your liver. Take parsley and cilantro, for example. They are natural detoxifiers that help flush heavy metals from your system. Add them to your juices, and you're giving your body a helping hand. You'll notice the difference: lighter, brighter, and more vibrant energy. Store-bought juices cannot compare to the real thing. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, my go-to energy boosting juice. Here's what you'll need: spinach for iron and energy, pineapple for sweetness and digestion, ginger to spice things up and boost immunity, and lemon for a refreshing zing. Run these through your juicer and enjoy. Bon appetit! This juice is like sunshine in a glass. It wakes you up, fuels your body, and leaves you glowing. High vibrations. Are you ready to unlock the power of juicing and transform your health in just minutes a day? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start, what recipes to try, or how to handle juicing challenges, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm Lala, your high vibe coach, and I've created the ultimate juicing bundle to make your juicing journey simple, stress free, and oh so rewarding. This bundle includes everything you need to juice with confidence and consistency, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your wellness game. No more guesswork. Get clear answers to frequently asked questions like how many juices should I drink a day and can I juice while working out? Over 50 mouth-watering combinations for detox, weight loss, and immunity designed with your health goals in mind. Turn your leftover pulp into delicious snacks and meals. Troubleshoot common juicing problems like budgeting, scheduling, and consistency. This e-bundle is designed to save you time, money, and keep you motivated. Download your juicing e-bundle now and start transforming your health today. Let's stay high together. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep thriving, glowing, and juicing.